erste große Tag. Don't put too much on the spoon. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Schau mal zur Mama.
Jake.
Schau mal zur Mama. Schau mal zur Mama.
Look here. What's that?
Nicht mit der Hand.
Oh, try it. Oh, what's... Oh. Try just licking.
What is that Lätzchen good for?
Wanna try that?
Baby carrots.
What do you think? Is it good?
Look at your thumb already.
Wanna try a little bit more? Have a lick of the spoon. Is it good?
Does he swallow?
I don't know. Try that a little bit more. Oh, you happy? Ah, strange, huh?
He's opening his mouth, isn't he?
Yeah. Oh, it's going out. What do you think? That's his decision. Is that good or not, huh?
Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah, do you want any more or not? If you're gonna... Your decision.
Is this good? Is this good?
Daddy! Do a little bit more. You keep pulling it. Oh, look at that mouth. Oh, maybe we should have a bath already now. Oh. Think about it.
Hello.
Any more? You look quite interested. I'm a little bit surprised. Hands down, hands down. It's coming, it's coming.
Put him in upright position again.
Are you enjoying it that much? No? We don't want to force it in there. Have a look. Brrr. Brrr. Any more? Any more? Oh, too much, too much.
Uh-oh. Huh, dog likes carrots too. Why does he have a Lätzchen on?
So we can get it everywhere else. Is that enough? You want a little bit more? Look at that open mouth. Oh, caught it.
Not all of it.
You're not supposed to catch all of it at the beginning, are you? Oh, you look exhausted from that. Alright, good job.
Was it good? Was it good?